Hey, Dr. Nicole Bain here. Really wanted to review with you some really important things that make holistic extractions holistic and things you should ask your dentist if you're not going to come here for a surgical extraction. Number one, make sure that your dentist is properly trained by one of our biologic academies. I am a member of the HDA, the IOMT, which is the Holistic Dental Association, but I've also done extensive training on surgery with some of the holistic implant institutes and also with Dr. Judson Wall on how to properly remove infection from the jawbones. Number two, make sure that they clean out all of the periodontal ligament and all of the infection. A lot of times doctors leave it behind. They just pull the tooth out, leave everything else underneath. And there could be yucky dental materials and infection that was extruded beyond the tooth that's just sitting there. And then your jawbone can heal and close over it, and it can be left there forever, which is gross. So I use a surgical piezo with ozonated saline, and then I use my laser with ozonated water, and then I can use ozone gas, and I really scrub the socket, get out all of the infection before I start grafting. The third and last part is make sure that they are using platelet-rich fibrin, PRF, and PRP, which is the liquid form, to graft your site. So I do all my own blood draws, and we clean out all the infection, then use your own pluripotent cells, which stimulate collagen, bone, tissue healing, all the best stuff, in addition to white blood cells that are gonna be packed in there. And I mix mine with a material that's osteoinductive that helps stimulate new bone growth. Most doctors use cadaver, pig, or cow. You don't really want that packed into your jaw bones, especially in your sinus or some of the other areas. So ask your dentist what materials they're using. And last, I use red light therapy and ozone to stimulate the healing afterward, so you have very minimal pain and swelling. And then I can also flush your system with IV nutrients now that I'm IV certified. So these are some great questions to ask your dentist about doing a holistic extraction.